Welcome to our tutorial video. Today, we'll show you how to use our plugin in an easy way. This plugin can help you sell more by suggesting related products and upgrades. Let's get started and learn how to make the most out of it. To install the plugin, upload the zip file here. Upsell products will be shown in a pop-up right after customer hits the Add to Cart button. Suggested products are related to the currently viewed one, like products which are recently viewed, or in the same category, or have same tags. The products prioritized for upselling are manually selected by the admin on the upsells page. We'll see how in the next step. Enable these options to hide upsell pop-up in specific pages, to hide out-of-stock upsell products from pop-up, and to hide an upsell product after adding it to cart. Enable this option to redirect user to the cart page when an upsell product is added. Enable automatic product selection for upselling using these options. The display priority order is arranged, as shown in the notice modal above. Make upsell apply to specific group of products. By setting up these rules, sort out the upsell product display order. Enable this option to add a product to cart without reloading the page. It only works on the single product page of that specific item. And this option is the same function for upsell products. Show the upsell pop-up even if there's no upsells. And this option determines how links to upsell items function upon user click. It offers 3 choices. You can find specific details of each option in our documentation. Now let's see how we manually select upsell products. Go to Upsell settings, check out what upsell preview. Select products manually by title, or ID, or category, and click view to see the result. You can also use these options to bulk set up upsell products. Set the same upsells for group of products. Use upsells function of WooCommerce. Or WooCommerce cross-sells. With this option, products set up in this page will override your WooCommerce upsells and product data. After you're happy with the upsell setup, you may want to customize the pop-up. Go to Design, Upsells, edit the number of items visible on a row for desktop and mobile, and number of items available in a pop-up. For instance, with this settings, my pop-up will have 8 suggested products. 3 of them are visible, and user must see the red by using the slider. Then select the template. Then you edit some text, and how you show the Add to Cart form. It offers 4 options. Right now, you're seeing Add to Cart form, show on hover. We'll make it show below the product details, and some more options to show or hide quantity fields, and view more button, as well as to edit the count new shopping button. Cross-sells, on the other hand, are products that offer bundle options containing the current product you're viewing, as alternatives to purchasing that individual product. For instance, if you are selling a laptop, cross-sells could include options like a protective case, stickers, or a specialized adapter. Cross-sell products can also be bulk synced to WooCommerce cross-sells, or selected manually just like upsells. After saving, a new bundle of the selected products will be created. Right on this page, you can edit bundle price by giving discount with fixed value or percentage value. Or go to the Edit Bundle Product page and change price there. You can create new bundle on your own. Simply assign this product type, change price, and add more bundle item, and even assign a category for it. Back to manually setting up cross-sells. If you already have a bundle, and you want to use it, instead of creating a new one, check this option and fill in the title here. To set up cross-sell bundle, go to cross-sell settings page. You can show, hide cross-sell on single product page, cart page, or checkout page. Make it display as a pop-up, or as an inline banner, in different positions. Product bundle type option, decides which bundle will be displayed on cart or checkout page. If there are more than one products with cross-sell in the order, for example, I'll add different recommendations for these two products and add both to cart. Then on cart page, recommendations of which item is displayed on cart is decided by product bundle type option. In this case, I make it the most expensive, so the bundle with the highest price will take over. Let's try another position on cart page. Same settings on checkout page. The same bundle in cart option ensures that the bundle remains consistent on both the cart and checkout pages, in case the product bundle type on cart and checkout pages are different. Description and saved price. If a product is in both order items in cart and cross-sell, remove the one in the cart, add the whole bundle to cart without reloading the page. Hide the whole bundle if one of the recommendation is out of stock. Edit bundle name and choose the default bundle category and set up default pricing rule for bundle so that each new bundled will be assigned to that name, category and pricing rule. Let's make a test. To customize cross-sell bundle, go to Design. Cross-sells, initial delay, refers to the amount of time you waits before displaying cross-sell products. Configure the time range using comma and seconds as the unit. The display of cross-sell products will be randomized within this defined range. Enable this option to auto-open pop-up when customer visits the single product page. Otherwise, customer must click the pop-up icon to open it. Show, hide the gift icon, and edit it with these settings. Same for bundle background. Select a bundle template for desktop and mobile. Frequently bought together is a group of products to recommend to customer. Show them on single product page by enabling this option. Set up product rules if needed and select a source for it. I'll make them show cross-sells products. Now any product that has cross-sell bundle setup will have frequently bought together on their product page, except for items in clocks category. Change position and style and other settings. Frequently bought together can also be shown anywhere using shortcode. Click to copy. Product ID must be filled in. Choose a source. Edit other arguments. And done. This feature displays a progress bar, informing you of the amount you need to spend to be able to use a specific discount coupon. The coupon is selected by admin here. Edit other settings of the coupon. Set up congratulation message when customer reaches the amount and can apply coupon to their order. Set up checkout button or make it auto redirect user to the checkout page. To customize the discount bar, go to Design, Discount Bar, control the visual and stylistic aspect of the bar appearance, change bar position, edit color, or even add your own custom CSS.